What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the S2000. We're going to be doing a taillight replacement. So as you can see over here, the car's a little dirty, but it's pinkish. It's not even red anymore in the reflector. So it's supposed to look like this, right? So these taillights are old. They're AP1 taillights. And what you got over here, Kobe? What are these?
Taillights.
Depot taillights? Okay. Oh man, these things are nice, man. These things are super nice. You like them, bro?
Yeah.
We're gonna remove the taillights. We're gonna put new taillights on. I'm not gonna do a tutorial on how to remove the taillights because there's so many social media websites where you can find out, or Google how to remove S2000 taillights. But we will do a hyperlapse. So I always have to throw in that hyperlapse, right? All right, step on the brake. Oh, that's bright as heck, man. Put your turn signal on. Do the other side. Oh, okay, that's your running lights. It looks good, okay. Oh, that looks cool. Hey, that looks really cool, honestly, bro. Yeah, it looks good like that. All right, all right, turn that off. All right, step on the brake. All right, looks cool.
Here we go. Come with me. There's a world out there that we should see. Take my hand. Close your eyes. You're right here. I'm walking till let's fly. There's a world out there that we should see. Take my hand, close your eyes. With you right here, I'm a rocker till here we go. Come with me. There's a world out there that we should see. Take my hand, close your eyes. With you right here, I'm a rocker till let's fly. Here we go, go, up, here we go, go. Let's fly. Up, here we go, go, up, here we go, go. Let's fly.